Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on Polkawallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of your Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Tap on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Polkawallet's account. Click on Preferences. On the next page, tap on Currency option. Select the currency that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change your currency on your Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.